Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today with some more challenge entries into my challenge giveaway that I am hosting. I am so excited to share these next two entries with you. I've already pulled it out of the package, and this one came from Busy Mom, who is Busy Mom. Oh my goodness, I think she's 328. I will link her information in the description box below. Rosa has been a long-time subscriber and a friend of mine here on YouTube, and she is absolutely so creative and so super sweet, and I truly appreciate her friendship. And thank you, Rosa, for participating. So this is what she sent me, so let's go ahead and open it. So this is the first thing, and it says something to put your ideas together. And look how super sweet. She sent me some glue, which I can always use. I love this glue. And then she also sent me some score tape. You see that? 1/4-inch score tape. Oh my gosh, that's so super sweet, Rosa. Thank you so much for sending me that extra goodie. And then here is her card. So let's open up her card. I love her cards. Oh, it says hello, and look how adorable that is. I love the stitch die that you used, and I think that is diamond dies. She actually is a designer for diamond dies, so you guys definitely check out her Instagram. She doesn't do YouTube videos, but she is on Instagram, and she posts all her stuff there. All right, I'm gonna just open this up real quick. And it says, Erica, I enjoyed creating for you. I hope you like what I made. Thank you for sharing with us, Rosa. Oh, I can show you. That is her IG name, BusyMom328. Oh, thank you. And she left this blank so that I could actually reuse the card if I wanted to. And she even has a little washi sample in here for me. So sweet. Thank you, Rosa. Love this card. Adorable. All right, so let's open up her entry. And here it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I hope, let me make sure I am focused. There we go. Look how super cute it is. She's got all this pretty trim on the top. The sequins trim, which is, oh my gosh, it's really, really pretty. Look at how pretty that is, you guys. And look at all the trim that she used right here, and even on the bottom. It's gorgeous. And she used the doodlebug paper, which is so cute, so happy together. Ah, I love it. Yep, I made this. Don't throw it out. Of course I won't. Busy Mom328. Definitely, guys, go check her out. She's super creative. I love it. Okay, so let's take out her entry. Oh my goodness. So here is her memory decks card. It says sugar and spice and everything nice, and she has an adorable stamped image colored up. Oh my gosh, and look at the little bunny peeking out with the little cookie right there. She has some baking utensils on the side, and then she stickled around all the edges of her memory decks card. Oh my gosh, I love it. And let me just turn it around. Oh, it's so sweet. I'm trying not to show all of her information, but look at her little bunny right there. Ah, love it. Thank you so much, Rosa. Super sweet. All right, so that was the first pocket, and I love how you have my name right there. It's so pretty. Okay, let's see what she put on the inside. Her tags are probably in here. Let's look at this. Oh, she sent me one of these unicorn pins. Yay! I love it. I'm gonna put this in my craft room, in my space. Oh, thank you for that. That's a fun gift. And here is one of her baking tags. Baked with love. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how she colored up the stamped images. Super sweet, and she's got a little stickles on her mixer. She's got her butter and her whisk and spatula with the little smiley face on the spatula. That is absolutely adorable. I love that. And I know she used diamond dies, tag dies, because I have these ones too. And then she's got this pretty beautiful ribbon on the top so I can tie it. And she even has a to and from on the back. Absolutely adorable. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Rosa. Oh, so sweet. And then let's look at her second one. Oh, this is her second one, and she made a shaker, and it says baked with love. And again, she has it stickled around this border, and I love that die. She's got a stitched circle die, and then look at her shaker, you guys. It's beautiful. So she's got a bowl full of eggs and butter and a salt shaker. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. Look, and then on the back it says to and from. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Thank you, Rosa. Beautiful entry. Yay! I'm so glad that you participated. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. All right, so you guys definitely check out Rosa on Instagram. All right, I have one more entry that I'm going to share with you, and this one is from Gloria, who is Crafty Cake 7 here on YouTube. Yay! Hey, Gloria. I'm trying to pull out everything. Oh my goodness, she stuffed her bag. So I'm just trying to pull all this goodness out. Oh my goodness, Gloria, what did you send? Oh my goodness. So let me see where, I'm trying to find a card. Is there a card in here? I don't know if there is or not. Oh my goodness. Well, maybe this is just Happy Mail from Gloria. Oh my gosh, so super sweet. So she made me one of her macaroons. Oh my gosh, and it's like a stick pin holder. You see there's one little stick pin in there like that. And she has a tutorial on her channel on how to create this if you want to try to make one, you guys. Oh, thank you so much for sending me one. This is adorable, and it's purple, and I love it. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. And then she's got some little goodies in here. She's got a lip gloss unicorn. How adorable is that? Thank you so much, Gloria. And oh, some decorating candies. Oh, I can put these on some cookies. Yum, so sweet. And then she sent me some pencils. Thank you. Oh, and she shared some of her bows that she recently purchased. Oh, those are adorable. I figured these would be perfect for Easter projects. Thank you for sending me some of those. And then she sent me a stamp. Oh, look at that. I'm all off frame, you guys. Sorry about that. Looks like this is the image. Is this the image? True love speaks volumes. Yes. Oh, that's so sweet. It's like a megaphone with hearts coming out. That is absolutely adorable. Thank you, Gloria. So sweet. And then she sent me a baking towel. Yay. Thank you so much. And then, oh, she sent me some cookie cutters. And they're hearts. Oh, that's really sweet of you, Gloria. I don't have this set, so thank you so much. And then she also sent me some stickers. Oh, this is some really sweet Happy Mail. Oh, I love these stickers for decorating my Happy Mail packages. So thank you for that. And then, oh, she sent me one of those whack-a-balloons. Those are so much fun, you guys, if you haven't played with one. And she sent me some scented stickers. Oh, these are adorable and perfect for a planner. Yay, thank you, Gloria. And oh my gosh, here's the card. Be my Valentine. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Gloria. I don't know how, I couldn't find the card. You sent so many goodies. Oh, and I just saw her video on this, and she shared how she created this card. It's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. And she always uses tulle. Oh, okay, I'm going to open it up really quick. Oh, it just says XOXO Gloria. Oh, thank you, Gloria. That is so sweet. Styled by Gloria. And she is Crafty Cake 7 here on YouTube. I'll link her channel in the description box below. Thank you, Gloria. That's so sweet. All right, you guys, check out these ladies, and I will be back with more entries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.